everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the latest update of Harmony coin. What's the change occur in a Harmony coin? In this video I will show you and what's the next move of Harmony coin. We are trying to detect the next target, the next move of Harmony coin, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates about Harmony coin, friends. First of all, we look at the price of the Harmony coin. At this time, the current price of the Harmony coin is about 0.117299 USD dollar is the current price of Harmony coin. Now, if we talk about the change occurred in Harmony coin in the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is positive, and last 1 week change is also in negative 20.51% change occur in the last 1 week in a Harmony coin, friends. If we look the market rank of the Harmony coin, so about 95 is the market rank of Harmony coin in this time, friends. As you can see here, the last 1 week change occurred in a Harmony coin, negative 18.96% change occur in the last 1 week, and the price is about 0.161279 USD dollar is the high price of Harmony coin in the last 1 week, last 7 days, friends. Now, friends, as you can see here at this time, that is the top level, that is a high price level of the Harmony coin. As you can see here at this time, the price of the Harmony coin is about 0.161279. as you can see here, that is a high price level of the Harmony coin, friends. Now, friends, if we look the currently situation of Harmony coin in the cryptocurrency market, so currently situation of Harmony coin at this time, and at this time price of the Harmony coin as about, as you can see here at this time, the current price of the Harmony coin is about here 0.117379 USD dollar is the current price of Harmony coin. So absolutely a very bad change occur in a Harmony coin in the last 1 week. They continuously falls down. That is why a lot of people confused that what should they do, at is the best time to buy, sell or hold. As you can see here at this time, continuously falls occur in a Harmony coin from the previous last 7 days, last 1 week, continuously falls occur day by day, falls down occurs in a Harmony coin. So don't worry about this falls. Hope the next day they take a high jump. Hope they maybe goes upward in the future, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction and try to detect the next move of Harmony coin. What's the next move occurs in a Harmony coin, friends? So as you can see here, that's last 1 day price prediction, friends. As you can see here, last 1 day change is positive. Now I think they are moving upward. The change is in positive, that's mean that they move upward. 8.18% is the previous last 1 day change as a positive. That's mean that now currently from the yesterday they start an explosion, friends. And as you can see here, the price is also good. 0.123836 USD dollar is the high price of Harmony coin in the last 1 day, friends. If we look the technical analysis of the Harmony coin, so according to technical analysis, I think at this time they are also in the fast mode. As you can see here, let's suppose that is a support level and that is a resistance level, friends. So as you can see here, if we look change occur in the Harmony coin, and this according to this, as you can see here, falls down and after a fast take a jump and again it falls down and now again take a small jump and now again falls down. And if we look the current situation of Harmony coin at this point, so at this point they are again also in the falling mood, and now I think they are again planning a fast down, friends. So I think the next move 70% chances of the Harmony coin as to fast down, but you have to don't worry about the falling of the Harmony coin. Be patient and hold your Harmony coin. With the comfort, hold your Harmony coin with the last of April. Hold your Harmony coin. Hope there is a big jump occurs in a Harmony coin. 25-26 April is the jumping day of Harmony coin. Maybe in these days they take a high jump, so please hold your Harmony coin with the last of this month, friends. So what's your opinion about Harmony coin? Please kindly share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates.